नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे चैनल निखिल कुमार के टॉर्जनल पेंडुलम विद रिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट में। आज के इस वीडियो में हम टॉर्जनल पेंडुलम विद रिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट की पीडीएफ बनाना सीखेंगे, जिसमें हमारा एम वायर के मटेरियल की रिजिडिटी मॉडुलस और एनुलर रिंग की मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया फाइंड करना है। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं और उम्मीद करते हैं आप सबको यह वीडियो पसंद आएगी। धन्यवाद।
Hello students, this is our experiment name torsional pendulum with ring. M to determine the rigidity modulus of the material of a wire and moment of inertia of annular ring. Apparatus required: a screw gauge, a stop clock, torsional pendulum, symmetric massage and weighing balance. After then, here we write formula used. Rigidity modulus of wire G equal to 1 by a to the power 4 8 pi mr square into 1 upon trd square minus td square Newton per meter square Pascal. Moment of inertia of annular ring IR equal to id into trd upon td to the whole square minus 1 kg meter square, where id equal to half mr square is the moment of inertia theoretical of the circular disc of mass capital M and radius capital R. Moment of inertia of annular ring theoretical IR equal to 1 by 2 small m r1 square plus r2 square kg meter square, where small m is the mass of the annular ring in kg, a radius of the wire in meter, L length of the wire from the disc top in meter. TRD and TD is the mean period with ring and without ring respectively in second. R1 and R2 are inner and outer radii of the ring in meter. After then, here we plot the diagram. This is our precautions. Time period of the oscillation should be measured after the pendulum starts a stable oscillation, that is, leave the first initial oscillation. The meter scale should be kept vertical while measuring the length of the wire. Thickness of the wire should be measured at 3 different points, top, middle and end, and average value should be taken. If zero error is present in the screw gauge and vernier caliper, then proper corrections should be done in the calculation. This is our observation. Length of the torsional pendulum L equal to 1.04 meter. Mass of ring small m equal to 0.280 kg. Mass of disc capital M equal to 0.95 kg. Radius of the disc capital R equal to 0.0601 meter. Inner radius R1 of ring R1 equal to 0.0501 meter. Outer radius R2 of ring R2 equal to 0.0601 meter. Table first. To find the thickness of wire, least count equal to 0.01 mm. Zero error ZE equal to minus 13 divisions. Zero corrections ZC equal to plus 13 divisions. Here we plot table. In this table we have observed reading and corrected reading. After then, for this table we made here some calculation. Thickness of wire 2A equal to average of all readings, which comes 1.238 mm. Radius of wire A equal to thickness upon 2 equal to 0.619 mm. Hence, thickness of wire 2A equal to 1.238 mm. Radius of wire A equal to 0.619 mm. After then, here we made the second table to find the period of oscillation of the torsional pendulum. In this table, without ring mean period TD equal to 1.9296 second. With annular ring mean period TRD equal to 2.4215 second. For this table we made here calculation. In the case of without ring, mean period TD comes 1.9296 second. In the case of with annular ring, mean period TRD, which comes 2.4215 second. This is the final calculation. From formula, rigidity modulus of wire G equal to 1 by a to the power 4 8 pi mr square into 1 upon TRD square minus TD square Pascal. In this formula, we put all the values and get the value of rigidity modulus, which comes 8.0872 into 10 to the power 10 Newton per meter square. Moment of inertia of annular ring experimental. IRE equal to ID into TRD upon TD to the whole square minus 1 equal to half capital M R square into TRD square upon TD square minus 1. In this formula, we put value of all unknowns and get moment of inertia of annular ring experimental, which comes 9.775 into 10 to the power minus 4 kg meter square. Moment of inertia of annular ring theoretical. IR equal to 1 by 2 small m R1 square plus R2 square. In this formula, we put value of all unknowns and get moment of inertia of annular ring theoretical, which comes 8.57 into 10 to the power minus 4 kg meter square. This is our final result. Rigidity modulus of wire G equal to 8.0872 into 10 to the power 10 Newton per meter square. Moment of inertia of the ring experimental IR equal to 9.775 into 10 to the power minus 4 kg meter square. Moment of inertia of the ring theoretical IR equal to 8.57 into 10 to the power minus 4 kg मीटर स्क्वायर।
दोस्तों, आप सबको यह वीडियो कैसी लगी आप हमें कमेंट्स करके ज़रूर बताइएगा। धन्यवाद। जय श्री कृष्ण।